Oh God, get out of my face. Crazy.
Video protected.
I have a dash cam. If you want to be a psychopath, I'll let your plate number 2. I didn't touch you, you crazy. Go ahead. Go ahead, I've got you recorded. Good for you. I'll run you over. Get the f out of the way.
You have to wake up early.
Yes, Joe, we know.
But not like 7 a.m., like 4.
Okay. Yeah.
I'd sleep in the car. What is going on here? Do you really need me doing this right now? Why are you doing this in the middle of the road? How about you pull over? You have to get your dogs like this? What the? Why are you doing this in the middle of the road? Clearly it moved. I saw it walk. So why are you walking him then if you can't move?
I'm so sorry.
Why are you stopping in the middle of the road? Go ahead, get my plate. I don't care.
Joe! Why am I getting a
At least put your hazards on.
Why am I getting my pictures?
That's fine. I have you on my dash cam.
Dude, why did I get my picture taken?
Oh, ambulance. Behind us. That's why he moved over. Yeah, I know he is. He's trying to...
Oh my gosh. No, please. Oh my gosh, this old black woman. No, babe.
I'm not... I don't...
For well last night tonight. Go! Go! Green light! No, you got a blinker on. Okay, I don't know that. Great. asshole.
What did he say?
Somebody behind me.
Still sitting, huh?
Yeah.
Something wrong with his car?
Yeah.
And you know that I can't get up enough. In the hill, we like to get high and we love to cross.
Good camera!
The latest down this special report from CBS News.
CBS News special report. An Army sergeant opened fire at an Army installation in Georgia, shooting 5 of his comrades. Those 5, the Army says, are all in. What are you doing? Recovering. Gunman identified as Cornelius Radford.
She's probably driven close. Brakes!
God!
The brakes! The brakes!
What the Holy sh**.
It's alright.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
They literally almost ran into me.
It's alright. No worries.
Like, what the was that? Was that my fault?